Hey Puddins! In this video we're gonna do a super cool lookbook about the Harley Quinn Birds of Prey inspired outfits, because I'm getting a lot of questions about my signature look. So I take some iconic items she wore at the move, like the suspenders, the socks, and the white boots, and I show you how I usually use at my casual outfits. That's a special edition of Gotham City Fashion Week because we are in quarantine. So I think it's the best time to go to our closet, because talking about me, I always want to get my clothes and try some new possibilities of outfits, but I never had time. So smash those subscribe and like buttons to be part of my PUDDINS Squad. And come on board to play with me, squad! Hi boys! Some days ago I asked for you, my PUDDINS Squad, which one do you prefer firstly here at the channel? The lookbook inspired at Harley Quinn Birds of Prey, or when I'm telling you about the costume designer when I'm doing the makeup of Harley Quinn Birds of Prey? I think you know the answer, guys, so here you are. Should I explain you more about this outfit? Of course, that's inspired at a Harley Golden jumpsuit. Do you know that costume designer B-Nex had a original test for colors, including Harley's iconic red and black suit colors and the yellow one, the same I have. The pink cropped that she wore, and for shoes, either white boots or white sneakers. Also, I love that it felt like the sparkle and the glitter and the colorful and sort of glam part of Harley was sort of waking up inside of her at the movie. And B-Nex said the inspiration is she had a scene of the crime. It made so much sense that she would take the simultaneously to face it and take it on as her own. She would be able to maybe make the wings are supposed to have a do-it-yourself sensibility and come up the idea and just say, I've broke up with the Joker. I'm dependent now and I'm going to go party. As just say, don't fuck with me. For Birds of Prey, they are creating a different garden, and that includes expanding Harley's color palette in the film for her iconic red and black looks to one that help evoke her bubbly personality. The boots and the suspenders are both two of my favorite parts of the new Harley Quinn style. Hey guys, do you remember we are staying home for all time, resting and doing everything wearing pajamas? Quarantine vibes. Keep calm, guys. That will be soon at the past, and Harley freaking Quinn inspired us for a really fantabulous look for when we finally able to go out. We take the leggings, the boots, the belt, the top, the t-shirt and the jacket as her black mass clubby outfit. Hot but not too much. Cool and awesome. Harley seen at the film's very end wearing a sharp blazer with flames and covered in symbols. The flame is because her roller derby team is named Gotham City flames, cause she gets blown up. She lights up on fire, so the red can't be out of this one. And also, Birds of Prey shows an evolution to Harley's character, especially in her fashion. They still incorporate her classic color scheme into a few looks to honor her legacy. The other inspiration of this outfit is when she blows up Ace Chemicals and then runs out through the streets of Gotham City in an attempt to outrun the cops and some of Black Mask Men. Each time when she found the same purse I'm using there. And the sandals are like the caution tape Easter egg. The second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth one. Tell me here in the comments, okay guys? And hi boys! Tell me what would be the next Harley Quinn accessories or piece of clothes you want to see here, how to dress at your casual looks. And smash those subscribe and like buttons to be part of my PUDDINS squad. Peace out, PUDDINS!